What's going on? So, I've been getting a lot of questions about EARS, so I figured I'd put together a quick video, research it really quick, see what I think, and let you guys know. So, first thing I do, go to Yahoo Finance and see why this was moving in the first place, right? So, pull this over here. All right. Yahoo Finance says that they have a meeting on Wednesday about a phase one trial. So, if you guys don't know about a phase one trial, phase one tests the toxicity of the drugs. Basically, uh, if it if it's toxic and you die, it's not going to get approved. If you live, then they move on to phase two. A lot of pharmaceutical companies pass phase one. So, like, I don't even know why this is relevant news. I don't think this warrants a move from what do we have? 30 cents to $1.60. So, already not interested at all long, getting pretty interested short because that's a ridiculous move. All right. Now, second thing I do, I come over and I look at the other drugs that they have. This is just a quick way to do it. Whoops, before diving into, you know, the 10K and all that good stuff. So, just look at this. Let me make this a little bit bigger. All right. They have one drug, open label safety trial data released. Okay. Phase 3 did not meet primary endpoint. Eh, that's not good. Phase 3 data release more did not meet primary endpoint. Not good. Phase 3 terminated. Not good. Pending funding. Okay. They need money. It's very expensive to take a drug to the market, right? The drugs usually cost around 45 to 70 million. That's a lot of money. So, phase 3 did not meet primary endpoints. Wow. Okay, so they have they're trying to take care of this acute inner ear hearing loss, and they're having a really tough time making it happen. So let's take a look at the fundamentals of this company. Like I said, it's really expensive to take a drug to market, but let's see how much cash they have. Let me pull up the SEC filings. All right, ready? Here we go. All right, open this up and I already see a bunch of stuff that I don't like, right? We have offerings. Sell from time to time 1.75 million shares. Okay, and perfect. Now they have the financial statements right here. Okay, they're running at a loss. Obviously, they don't have any drugs. Let's take a look at the balance sheet. This is really important. Okay, they have cash 4 million. That's not enough. That's not even close to being enough. Um, accumulated deficit $139 million for no drugs. Current liabilities. Not bad. Oh, this is non-current liabilities. Current liabilities. Loan $9 million. Current liabilities. They have current assets $5 million. Bam, red flag. Not looking good at all. I would not touch this thing long because they're gonna have to offer more shares. 1.75. What's this thing trading at? So you're getting 2 million shares. 1.75 times 2. or what's it trading at? 160? Okay, they're not going to raise nearly enough money to what they need long term. So this is not going, this has a very dim future unless they can get other sources of funding. And with multiple drugs that didn't meet the primary endpoints in phase 3, I would imagine it'd be pretty tough for them to continue to get funding from outside sources other than, just offering shares and equity into the company. Let's try to find a quick 10Q. Oh, this is a foreign company, so let's take a look at this. This is the same. Okay, current assets, 5. Let's look at this. Okay. Yeah, see, they're burning through tons of cash. Uh, Basically, if you're buying in, if you're going to invest in this company, you're going to lose your money. They don't have enough money. I look, I have to, if I was really to get serious into this, I'd have to research all the drugs, what's gone on, read the 10K, or 20F, and really take a deep dive into the market size if they get this drug approved. Uh, but as for me right now, and a lot of the people that follow me, I don't think this is a good time to get in. Unless you're going to sit and dive into the research and really figure out the value of this thing, I would say it's an avoid. And if anything, probably a nice short. This things, and they're gonna have to raise cash. When they do that, they flood the supply. If you guys haven't seen my video on the stock supply and demand, I would recommend watching that. Um, but yeah, overall, I would stay away from EARS. Now, this thing could go up a little bit more, but it will most certainly fall back down over time as they need money. They really need to get a drug approved, but it looks like they're having a tough time doing so. And like I said, it's really costly to bring a drug to the market, usually 45 to 75 million dollars. And these guys have had a really poor uh, track history. So be careful this stock. I'm not going to be touching it long. I may enter a short position as a little disclosure, but as for now, I'm gonna avoid it. If you guys like this video, you found it useful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I could do more of these. Also, check out my chat that I'm starting, and yeah, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate it.